I just finished my class with a boy called Jayden, who's in year 5, and he's been my student for about 2 years. And he did something amazing. He gave a presentation, I wrote it down, on the ethical considerations of genetic engineering, the cellular science behind it, and the future of medicine and biodiversity. He's in year 5. I'm James, by the way. I'm the founder and principal of Jool. And Jayden just showed what Jool is about. Now, I have to hold my hands up because I asked him to give a presentation about genetic engineering. So he's able to think, write, speak, present, and solve problems like somebody who's in year 10, year 11 at school. His knowledge is incredible and his confidence is amazing too. And the best thing about it, I know that when Jayden sits down to do his 11 plus exams or his SATs or his GCSEs, he's so far in advance of his school curriculum. It's just easy for him. And that's really what Jool is all about. I founded Jool to be somewhere like a university for kids where they can go and they can go faster than school. They can jump ahead and they can learn without any limits at all. Now, I know to some of you listening, it sounds a bit too good to be true, but we have a secret sauce. And it's really straightforward. At the end of every class, I ask myself, and every Jool teacher asks themselves, two questions. The first question is, did we challenge the kids? Did we push the level of learning in class? And the second thing is, did we make the kids laugh their socks off? Because we know if you do those two things, everything is possible. It's incredible what you can achieve in 1 hour or 90 minutes in a class where everybody's having a great time and everybody's motivated. So I'm James, I'm the founder, I'm the principal of Jool. And if you're ready for your kids to sit down and think that school is easy, then give us a call.